Did you know that Finland has more saunas than cars? If not, sit back and prepare to dive into the world of this Nordic gem. Today we're going to explore the top 5 must-see spots in Finland. Known for its stunning natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture, Finland is a place where tranquility of snow-kissed forests intersects with the energetic pulse of contemporary city life. Here, time-honored traditions blend harmoniously with forward-thinking innovation. Finland isn't simply a holiday destination. It's an immersive experience. It invites you to delve into its incredible landscapes, discover its historical landmarks, and interact with its friendly, hospitable locals. From the coastal allure to the bewitching northern lights in Rovaniemi, each location in our countdown offers an exclusive peek into Finland's heart and soul. So, let's begin our journey with the 5th must-visit spot in Finland. Buckle up! Kicking off our list at number 5 is the coastal city of Turku. Cradled in the arms of history, Turku takes pride as Finland's oldest city and its former capital. While here, don't miss the monumental Turku Castle and the awe-inspiring Turku Cathedral, 2 of the city's main attractions. For an immersive experience, take a river tour and soak in the stunning views of the city. A city where history meets modernity, Turku is a must-visit for every traveler. At number 4, we invite you to explore the breathtaking Koli National Park. This magnificent natural wonder is a symphony of dramatic landscapes, intermingling forests, rolling hills, and sparkling lakes. The park is crisscrossed with hiking trails, each offering a unique journey through Finland's pristine wilderness. One trail not to be missed leads you to the summit of the majestic Koli Hill. From the top, a panorama unfolds before your eyes, a spectacle of nature's grandeur that leaves many speechless. It's a view that shifts with the seasons, each bringing a different hue to the landscape. In the spring, the park blossoms into a vibrant tableau of fresh greens. Summer saturates the scenery with warm tones, while autumn sets the forest ablaze with fiery reds and oranges. Winter, meanwhile, transforms Koli into a serene snowscape, a world bathed in quiet white. For nature lovers, Koli National Park is a slice of heaven on earth. Coming in at number 3 is Tampere, a city that's a cultural hub. This vibrant city has a compelling industrial history, once regarded as the powerhouse of Finland. Today, it has transformed into a thriving cultural scene that beautifully intertwines with its past. Let's start with the Tampere Cathedral, a masterpiece of Finnish national romanticism, adorned with frescoes that tell a unique story. Then there's the Tampere Art Museum, a testament to the creative spirit of the city, showcasing works from both local and international artists. For thrill seekers, the Rovaniemi amusement park is a must-visit, offering a delightful mix of entertainment and adventure. And of course, the city's gastronomic scene is not to be overlooked. Tampere's local cuisine is a delightful fusion of traditional and contemporary flavors that will leave your taste buds dancing. Tampere, a city that beautifully marries the past with the present. In the second spot, we have Rovaniemi, the best place to witness the northern lights. Imagine standing beneath the swirling, dancing colors of the aurora borealis, in an atmosphere that is nothing short of magical. But there's more to Rovaniemi than just the northern lights. Visit the Santa Claus village for a dash of holiday cheer, or explore the Arctica Museum to delve into Arctic life. And don't miss out on a husky or reindeer sleigh ride. Rovaniemi, where you can touch the magic of the Arctic. And finally, at number 1, we have the vibrant capital city, Helsinki. A city where the old meets the new, Helsinki boasts a unique blend of architectural styles. From Art Nouveau to neoclassical, every corner tells a story. One of the city's crown jewels is the Sea Fortress of Suomenlinna. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a testament to European military architecture. Then there's the Helsinki Cathedral, an iconic symbol of the city. Its white neoclassical design towers over the cityscape, providing a striking contrast against the blue Finnish sky. As you wander around, don't miss the bustling market square, where you can sample local delicacies and shop for Finnish design pieces. And for those who want to experience the city from a different perspective, a boat tour of the archipelago is an absolute must. Helsinki, a city that's a perfect blend of nature and urban life. And of course, we hope you enjoyed our trip to Finland and found the guide helpful. However, we also want to tell you to check out these videos on your screen as well. These videos are going to be exciting, and if you love to see more of what Europe and Scandinavia has to offer, then you definitely not want to miss out on this one. So make sure to watch these videos and see you there. As always, remember, keep exploring and stay adventurous.